Hello friends, welcome to this channel, Center of Excellence Pharma 4. Objective of this channel is to discuss about various emerging technologies which are developed during last couple of years, like cloud, artificial intelligence, big data, industrial internet of things, robotics, chatbot, and blockchain, and how these technologies can help manufacturing companies, supply chain organizations to solve their business problems and help them to improve operational excellence and business excellence. As all of us know that supply chain is becoming a priority for everyone during this pandemic situation. So here I want to discuss about what are the challenges and why there is a need for digitization or adoption of these emerging technologies and digital transformation. So let's look at it this next slide. Here I'm just trying to give an overview about the various challenges and why there is a need for adoption of emerging technologies and digital transformation, which will lead to Industry 4 standards. The first and most important thing is complexity is increasing. You are getting materials not only from locally but from globally, from the various countries, and transporting all those materials is a big challenge because that has got a delivery schedule. Then there is a possibility of products or materials getting damaged, quantities, their availability. These are various issues are there. Regulatory requirements are also there. At the same time, manufacturing is also getting outsourced. It's not at one location. Even in locally also, there may be many plants, and sometimes it is outside the countries also. So monitoring those production, maintaining those manufacturing schedules, also supporting them to customers' requirements and deliveries is a big challenge. Distribution planning, logistic is also another important thing. And all these procedures are dynamic because they are all changing. And this is where everyone is really looking to capture the real-time data, which is a big challenge because everywhere real-time data capture may or may not be there. Somewhere it may be in a manual system, somewhere it may be in silos. So connecting all that into a cloud system, connecting the data in the real time with the sensors. And this is where digitization comes into the picture. So digitization only can help, and digitization can be achieved only by adoption of emerging technology. That's the main challenge actually. And this is where there is a need for digitization. Second most important thing is the lack of transparency. As customers expect right product, right quality, right time, right quantity at a right price. They expect that the product should be good. It should assure the quality parameters which have been mentioned. And mainly in the regulatory industry, the traceability is also an important area. Regulatory documentation is expected for the traceability. And this is possible only when you have a seamless data exchange in a complete digital supply chain management. So that is only offer or give assurance to the customer. And in the present scenario, there is a lack of transparency, which is the main challenge. Third is the most important thing is that there are multiple stakeholders. As we discussed into digital supply chain, there is a demand planning and there is a supply planning. Demand is there from the customers or patients, it comes to a retailer and then comes to the stockies and then comes to the warehouse and all that. Similarly, when you are looking from the supply planning, it's not directly a manufacturer. Manufacturer is giving to some distributor, then distributor is having some agent who is supplying you. And then, of course, there are contract manufacturers are there. There are n number of stakeholders are there which are involved. And we want to really bring all those stakeholders in an integrated manner. And that's the main challenge. A digitalization with a transparency into the data can only build a confidence into a supply chain, which will lead to right decision making, which is very important. Third important thing is inefficient and obsolete stock, and then the slow movement, and that is going to affect to the manufacturing, to the sales and operation planning is important thing, which disrupt the supply chain. Broken data is another problem. Only seamless data with the digital systems can only assure the correct data, which is the most important thing. And finally, the counterfeit products, spurious product, they may be into pharma, into food, into cosmetics, everywhere, which is creating a problem for the original manufacturer because that is creating competition, challenges, and all that. And finally, the new bitcoins and cryptocurrencies and everything is coming up. Some of them may accept it, may adopt it, and all that. But this can lead to a finally financial systems also. So these are the various things which I thought I will share with you to give you an idea why digitization is must into a present scenario. Hope you got some idea. In case if you need more information onto that, feel free to contact us. Our domain and technology teams will definitely help you to solve these issues and help you to achieve excellence. Our contact details are shown over here. Do visit our YouTube channel. You will get more information about other technologies also. Thank you. Bye.